we'll go with he, then we'll come on the yang. Okay. So first we start with lungs. UB13 backs to point. So what happened actually? For example, this is your back side of the body. Just imagine this is your back side of the body from the posterior view. And this is your spine. Okay? Done? There is two meridian coming from the spine, 1.5 June. One meridian is here, left side, right side, and one meridian on the left side. Okay. And from this blue meridian, yeah, 1.5 June. On the blue meridian, this one again line of the meridian is coming here, which is the green. Okay. So this green line is the yellow. Yang one, and blue one is the he. From the spine, 1.5 June he, okay, and from the spine, 3 June yang. Yeah.
Can I just ask a question on that? The measurement of the tunes, you know, with your fingers. Do we look at the person's? Okay.
Okay. Little bit up down. That's okay. No problems. Okay.
Gap building, sorry. Spine to inner organ.
Which?
Spine to inner organ.
Spine to 1.5 June. The he. We are talking only about solid organ. Okay. What we are talking here only for this yin and yang solid organ. Okay, not hollow organ. In the solid organ, yin part and yang part. Liver yin means the internal function. Liver yang means the external function. Soup point is only for yin organ.
Spine to 1.5 Kun. Spine to yang.
3 June. From the lean line to 1.5 June. Okay. First point. So this meridian is the only UV meridian. Which meridian is this? Only urinary bladder meridian. These both are urinary bladder meridian only. Okay, they are traveling on the top of the organ. These both meridians are traveling on the top of the organ. So which urinary bladder meridian point will come on the organ? We'll use that point. For example, UB13 is directly comes on the lungs here. Okay? So we use the UB13 for the lungs. Okay? UB13 for the lungs. Distal point LU7. distal point we will use on that organ same meridian. Okay, first write the point, then you will know automatically. Okay. Then the second point,
UB13 and
LU7. Okay. UB15 for your heart and HD7 for heart. UB18 for your liver.
Will you wait a minute because it's hard to see it?
Hmm?
So will you?
This is the heart, this is lungs, liver, spleen, left kidney, right kidney.
UB18 is it?
Yeah, and liver 3. Okay?
excuse me.
UB20,
The liver, the lower one is L. and
LR3, liver 3,
UB20.
spleen 6.
Sorry, so repeat that. Sorry again. Spleen.
UB20. Yeah.
UB20
Yeah.
and spleen 6.
UB23. And kidney 3. Left side. UB23. Kidney 3 for the right kidney.
And kidney 3 is it?
Kidney 3, yeah. K3.
UB18.
UB18, liver 3. LR3.
UB23.
Same UB20.
Yeah. Same for the kidneys.
Kidney. Yeah.
Okay? We'll just do the practical. Just wait to write everyone. Stimulations will check.
So, what is the? I thought the Sue point is the one, the root cause of all of what's going on in the body, like all the other side effects.
the root cause.
So, isn't that the sadistic one?
Used for the law of coherence. When we check the pulse, how we design that first meso, second meso, set is that full law now
Yeah.
for that all problems.
So you will use the Sue point of all of them, all the metals.
All the meso and sadist, everything.
Because you have to solve them.
Wait, we'll come on that. That is the future. Okay? And now, UV13. UV13 mostly we target the lungs, the right side wall. Right lung is the bigger lung. Okay? And that is the more effective lung. What we do, 1.5 tune. Okay? 1.5 tune from the spine on the right side. Okay? 1.5 tune on the spine, right side UB13 between which vertebral column? T3 and T4. Between which vertebral column? T3 and T4. Yeah. Okay. So for example,
That is the same.
this is a T1, T2, T3. Between the T3 and T4, from here, 1.5 to on the right side, here is your lung. Clear?
Yin.
Yeah. Now only about the knee. Then, yeah. Okay. So this was your T3, between the T3 and T4. Okay. Between T4 and T5, 1.5 to on the left side here. Okay. It's called UB14. This is for your pericardium. Just write it. Pericardium we will discuss later. Okay. Just write it only point.
UB14.
UB14. 1.5 to. All the points are 1.5 to left, right. Which organ is on the right? That organ will use on the right side. Which organ on the left will use that for the left
The
side.
same meridian that you do,
Yeah.
right? The blue one.
Yeah, exactly.
Because they're all yin.
Now T6. Between T5 and 6, 1.5 to on the left side. The point is UB15. Point is UB15. Which organ? For your heart. Okay. 13 for lungs, 14 for pericardium, and 15 for your heart. For lungs 13, 14 for pericardium, and 15 for your heart. Okay. Then there is the diaphragm. Then there is the diaphragm, which is the separating your heaven organ and human organ. Okay. Then directly we will start liver. Between T8 and T9, 1.5 to on the right side. This is your UB 18 for your liver. Okay? Yeah. Raju? नहीं निकलेगा?
What is liver? What is that?
Liver.
Pericardium is missing here.
Yeah.
We'll discuss about later about pericardium. Pericardium is combinations of the two organs. We'll discuss later here. If you see the diagnostic sheet,
That's what
pericardium is mentioned there. We'll discuss about it. Okay. Now, see, 13, 3, 14, 4, 15, 5, 8, 18, 8 vertebral, 18 number point.
Easy.
5 vertebral column, 15 number point. 4 vertebral column, 14. 3 vertebral column, 3 number point.
Smart.
Then between the 3 gaps, so T8, 9, 11. 11, right? T11. Okay, so T10 there. Okay? Between T10 and 11, on the left side, 1.5 to. This is UB 20. Okay? And this is for your spleen. Yeah, 10 vertebral,
UB20.
20 number point. between the point and vertical column there is 10 gap. Okay? 3, 15, 4, 14, 5, 15, 6. Okay, so actually point UB23 for your kidney, actually point between the L1, T12, L1, L2. So actually point for your kidney between L1 and L2, okay, but after the long research and practice, between the T12 and L1 is more effective because anatomically if you see your kidney is not going till L2, okay, mostly kidney between your T11 and L1 and the major part is here. So now that's why we count between T12 and L1. Where we count?
T12.
T12 L1 for the left kidney, left side, for the right kidney, right side.
1.5.
And
What's the number point?
Number?
UB23.
left and right.
Yeah. UB23.
Both are kidney.
Yeah. Okay. So whenever we are targeting this points, no, this point for the here he means, for example, this is your lungs, this is your liver, this is your kidney. If you see the real human anatomy, the organ are like this, right? Not in the exactly in the center. This is your lungs, exactly below the lungs your liver, exactly below the liver your kidney. So this is the line. So the heme meridian is coming here. It is coming here. So we are going to insert needle here, and if you give the like the proper stimulations and the heat, whatever you are going to do, that will stimulate more the internal part of the muscles. And just for the example, I will explain a little bit more. Then we'll go later. The heme is stimulating through the more nerve system. The heme meridian, this whole point what we learn now, this will go the more stimulation on the nerve system. Exactly below this point there is more ascending and descending nerve tract ganglions. We will discuss, okay? And the young is going more on the contraction and directions, more on the fascia.
Outside, the young.
Outside. So where is the young? This young part, this young, no? Now we are going to cover this young. This young will go on the outside. This means here, this young meridian is like this. Okay? So we'll stimulate needle here, we'll stimulate needle here, we'll stimulate needle here. All done? Heal means we are talking only about the solid organ. Heal means the internal function, the entry and internal function. Yang means the contraction and exit. Yeah? Okay? And the same distal point. Distal point should be always on that organ, same meridian. For example, UB18 we are targeting of the liver, the liver distal point will come on the liver meridian. So almost distal point are the same. Kidney 3 we already discussed, liver 3 we discussed, and SP6 we discussed, ST7 we discussed. Only LU7 that we will discuss now. All points are same. What we discussed already. What we are using somewhere this point. No, SP6 we are not using.
What? I don't understand what you're saying. We use what points already?
We already learned this about this point, you know. SP6, lever 13,
The
ST7.
point itself, you're using the point, for example, in
For the GT protocol,
Yeah, GT
the humidity
protocol.
Where
protocol.
they are in the body, is it?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay.
You already know about this point, no?
Yeah.
Only the LU7 we have to discuss now. Right? So already you know about the distal point. Okay? And we'll practice more about that. Now, this is a very good homework for you. So you will get the proper time for the weekend, so you can do the more homework. Okay? So now we'll discuss on the young point. Okay? Young point means this point will come here on the side of the organ. Okay? From the spine to 3 tune, and from the hind meridian to 1.5 tune.
Yeah, perfect.
1.5.
1.5. No?
I thought you said 2.5.
Okay?
Three from the center.
From the spine, from the spine to 3 tune, and from the hind meridian to 1.5 tune. Okay? So this is the meridian is here. So point is, so the best thing about like young meridian, all point will come on the tip. All distal point will come on the tip.
Are they distal point or shoe point? Because they're still on the organ.
No, shoe are those, no?
So at this point,
Yeah.
okay, what we are going to discuss about shoe point, but with the shoe point we are discussing about the distal point now. This is the shoe point, this is distal point. This is the shoe point, this is distal point.
Okay.
Okay? Then I will give you one small protocol. Okay, first write the point. UB42 LU11. UB44 HT9. UB47 lever 1. UB49 spleen 1. UB52 U1
What's under UB52?
Do you say?
What's under UB52, the distal point?
Kidney 1.
Kidney?
UB47.
Yeah.
The first one is to be 12.
42. 43 for pericardium. 44 for heart. SP1. UB49, SP1.
UB49
For spleen. Yeah. And SP1 for distal. UB52 for kidney and kidney 1.
Kidney one, not two. So this is 42, 37, 52. LU11, and liver 1, and kidney 1. ST9, kidney 1, 44, 49.
Yeah.
Kidney young is not UB67.
Yeah, we'll come on that. If I know, then they will confuse again. Okay? We'll explain like kidney 1 is emergency point, so it's not used every day. So in such that we use UB67. We'll discuss that. Okay, when practice will start. Okay? Perfect. And now where is this point? Just 1.5 tune away from the same organ. For example, which is the first young? UB42?
Yeah.
For which organ?
Lungs.
Lungs. So see, this is the lungs here, this is the lungs here. 1.5 tune away from here, this one.
Oh, the same line.
Yeah, the same area, just horizontally 1.5 tune.
Yeah.
Okay. Now which one you want to ask? You ask, I'll answer.
I can answer also.
Ask what?
But the,
Which point is where? About the young one. The shoe point.
I don't understand the question. What? I don't have a question. Like, is that what you're asking?
You want to ask like any like where is it? UB52, where is it? UB49.
You're going through them all, aren't you?
Hmm?
You're going to be just 1.5 tune away from the.
You understand?
Yeah.
Then no need to draw everything. No? For example, if you want to write the UB44, the point for UB44 which organ? Young of which organ?
UB44 heart.
Heart. So this is the heart here, this is the heart young. Here is the UB44.
And it'll be, yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Simple, no? Okay. Just
so
to
UB44 is the young.
Yes.
all the above the 40 number, they are the 4 young. All the above 40. Okay? 42, 42, 43, 44, 45, 47, 49, is all above 40, that is for young. Okay, I'll give you one small case, then we'll do practical. That is a very interesting law of coherence. Okay, and I'll do practical the same. It's the call like to relax your brain and little bit of the very good treatment for your depressions or anxiety or mental tensions or anything. For example, one sadist is here. Okay, this is the one meso. 2, 3, 4. Okay, vertical first meso, right? Horizontal second meso. Horizontal third meso. And house law fourth meso. Right? Now draw one line like this. For example, sadist 1. Like sadist, right here sadist, shoe point and distal point. Here. Okay? Which one is first sadist? In this one, with left kidney, he. What is the point name of left kidney? He. And you can write in organ also. Do any one. Okay. So sadist first. Which organ? Left kidney. He. Right.
Yeah.
What is the point number?
UB23,
UB23. What is the distal point?
kidney 3.
Kidney 3. Now, which is the first meso?
First meso.
Spleen,
The spleen here.
Spleen.
What is the next two point?
UB20
What
UB20,
is the distal point?
SPC
Okay. Which
SP6,
is the second meso?
is
Liver here.
UB18.
UB18.
liver 3.
Liver 3.
Hmm.
Right? Which is the third meso?
It's UB20.
Kidney.
Right kidney here.
UB20.
UB.
23. K3. And which is the fourth meso? Left kidney young. Right? UB52. And kidney 1. This is the your
Protocol.
protocol for treatment.
For this drug.
Right?
Yeah. Now it is
Has clear.
Ew.